Hi, my name's Cara Johnson and I'm the president of the East Otway Landcare group, and we're here on the old Bambra tip site, which is on Guttermilk country.
It was a poorly degraded ex-council tip in the middle of a beautiful, pristine bushland.
This is a long-term project. We're thinking at least 20 years, but the Wild Otways grant has helped us continue the project and get us through a couple of years of planting and weed control works.
We're planting very densely with limited number of species, mostly pioneer plants, ones that will grow very quickly. So that's the goodenias and the daisies, the cassinias, dogwood, some of the wattles. And the point is that we're trying to smother the weeds.
The Landcare group here is really strong, and we all know what 30 years of Landcare has done to the area. If you go close to here, to the Bambra wetlands, we can see what a 30-year-old project looks like. You'd never know that a Landcare group planted and rehabilitated that forest.
We brought some visitors down in to see the site a couple of months ago, and people told us that they felt really inspired and excited and couldn't believe the growth after a couple of years, and it's reassuring and makes us want to keep going.
It's an anchor for the community, but we're also giving back, and we're turning a toxic wasteland into something natural and beautiful and what it should be. We're making up for what was done in the past.
If every little hole-in-the-wall Landcare group, like East Otway Landcare group, does these little projects, then the whole bloody country is going to be doing well. We're looking after our patch, the wetlands, we've got a couple of swamps we look after. You know, we're doing our bit. And if everyone does their bit, then the world will be a better place, I think.